Come on in, welcome to my channel. It's that time of year again. It's time for the summer $0 challenge. What is the $0 challenge, you ask? Simple. What you're going to do is you're going to spend no money to decorate a room or a space in your home by shopping the things that you already have. Yes, go ahead and try using things which you already have in ways that you never thought of. Be creative, do whatever you want, and let us all see your work. On June 21st, my video will go live and I'll start the playlist going, and once you get your video done, let me know and I can add you to that playlist. This is something so exciting and everybody can be part of it simply because we don't have to spend a single dime. No, you have everything that you need for this video, for this challenge, right in your own home. And I want to see what you do. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to play along with us, and I hope I get to see you again next time.